I'm Dia, and I'm back with another really exciting update to the eTextile product line. We are carrying the Sparkle line of products from Aniomagic. This is a small controller board that's going to let you add movement and animation to an eTextile project. Also, you can add sensory input and most of the outputs that you can do with any other eTextiles line, but you don't have to learn how to program these until you're ready. I'm not going to talk too much about how to put the circuit together because that's on the Aniomagic website really clearly. Feel free to go to aniomagic.com. That's ANIOMAGIC.com. They've got great examples of what the circuit ought to look like and how things ought to go together. But I do want to talk to you a little bit about how to program it. To program or reprogram Sparkle, you're going to want to press a finger to these two small dots underneath the red light until the red light starts pulsing quickly. That means it's ready to accept a new program. So while you've got that red light flashing, you're going to come to the program page of the Aniomagic website under Sequencer and select the program that you want it to do. So I'm going to tell it to do an in and out pattern a little bit slowly and to turn off after 15 minutes. Then you're going to want to take the board and hold it over the picture of the board on the website and hit send. And there's your new program. The second kit is similar. It's still a Sparkle board, but it's got a sensor involved, and that means you've got a slightly larger light board. It looks a little more like the lily pad boards because each one of these has a controller on it too, which allows it to interact with the Sparkle in a different way. We've got a sound sensor on here. What's going to happen when the board is added is that when you blow on this sensor, these lights are going to light up in sequence. Just like the other boards, you can reprogram that, but that's what I've got this one programmed to do. By default, every Sparkle board, including the ones that come in a kit with a sensor, are ready to be used in a light circuit like the one I just showed you. If you want to use it in combination with a sensor, you're going to have to reset it. The way to do that is to hook it up to power by the positive and the negative traces, which are labeled on the back. Flip it over and look for this small dot next to one of the pads. You're going to use something conductive, like your sewing needle, to connect that dot to the pad. When the LED on the front stops flashing, you know you've successfully reprogrammed it. Once you've set your Sparkle board to accept sensor input in addition to lights, you're going to want to come to the Aniomagic page and click the sensor bar under Program. This sliding bar can be moved around to indicate how sensitive you want your sensor to be. The lowest numbers are the quietest sounds that this sound sensor will hear. Up to 10 is the highest sounds. There are 3 settings here. This will make just one light react to your sensor. This will make all of your lights react to the sensor. And this will make the lights react in reverse so that when there is sound, you'll get no light and light all of the rest of the time instead of lighting up when it hears the sound. Then you can time the speed of that reaction and go ahead and hit send. Just like on the other board, you're going to want to hold this pad down to prepare it for accepting the new sequence until the red light flashes. And then you're ready to test your circuit with sounds of your choice. Those are our new Aniomagic Sparkle kits. We're really excited about these. This is a great step into electronics where you've got a little more functionality, a little bit more reaction to input without having to start programming for Arduino if you're not quite ready for that yet. We are really pleased to bring these to you, and I can't wait to see what everyone makes with them.